Python is a popular programming language and is released in 1991. Python was not named for a snake, even though we use the snake motif all the time. It turns out that what Python was named for was Monty Python's Flying Circus. Python is a general-purpose, interpreted, interactive, object-oriented, and high-level programming language. It is one of the easiest programming language for a beginner to learn. There are over 700 current programming languages. Then why choose Python? There are a number of reasons why you should prefer Python to other programming languages. Well-known companies that uses Python are Google, Facebook, Instagram, Spotify, Quora, Netflix, Dropbox, Reddit, Stripe, Amazon, Uber, Pinterest, NASA, Instacart, Lyft, Udemy, and many more. Python popularity. According to Shibi Index, in June 2021, Python is the second most demand language after C. In 2007, 2010, 2018, and 2020, Python is the most demand language of the year. According to Pipe, popularity of programming language, Python ranks first in 2021, and according to Stack Overflow, Python is the most wanted language. And they said, technologies that developers report that they do not use but want to learn, Python takes the top spot for the fourth year in a row. In Coursera Global Skills Report, Python programming is one of the most trending and demand skill required. Python supports cross-platform operating systems, which makes building applications with it all the more convenient. You can use Python to build any type of software or application which you can possibly think of. People use Python for many purposes, such as hacking. Python is an excellent choice for hacking, and there are large number of books available. Hackers generally use Python for scripting. You can use Python to crack a password as reverse engineering tool. Windows automation. Build your own hacking tools. Video games. You can also make your own video games using Python. Some of the popular games developed in Python are Battlefield 2, Bridge Commander, Disney's Toontown Online, Doki Doki Literature Club, EVE Online, Frets on Fire, Mount and Blade, Pirates of the Caribbean Online, The Sims 4, The Temple of Elemental Evil, Unity of Command, Vampire, The Masquerade, Bloodlines, Vega Strike, World of Tanks. Applications. Some well-known and widely used applications are BitTorrent, Calibre, Cinema 4D, Dropbox, OpenStack, Juice, GNOME Sound Converter, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. Companies used Python for artificial intelligence and machine learning are Facebook. They use it for maps, detecting fake accounts, reporting inappropriate content. Apple Siri, it uses voice recognition tools and natural language processing to answer the questions and make suggestions as it executes different actions. TensorFlow, Google Cloud Machine Learning, Amazon Alexa, Infosys Nia, and some other areas where Python is used are web and internet development, scientific and numeric applications, software development, business applications, education programs and training courses, language development, desktop GUI, data science and data visualization, web scraping applications, audio and video applications, CAD applications, design, console-based applications, image and text processing, operating system, embedded applications, robotics, automation, hardware interfacing and control, mobile app development.